Be careful, I tipped her over. What you eating, girl?
Pickles. Pickles. Pickles?
You're not spoiled, are you?
No, she just has to carry around.
Lily's like, what is that?
Alright. Let's go do my homework.
Pull her into the living room. How can you pull her around here?
What?
Tony Marabella is a walking, talking medical mystery. 2 years ago, his career was on the skids. His dream of playing in the big leagues fading rapidly.
Where's her pillow?
What has changed? Tony may well become the first. I just thought if I swing harder, or I'll kind of get loose or something. I don't know. And I took my last one, and then I just got taking.
Leave your hat on her where you're not going to go for a ride. Check it, check it, check it, check it. Choo choo. Look in the mirror. Where's your nose? Where's your nose? Where's your nose? Where's your eyes? Where's your nose? Where's your nose? Nose, 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 nose. You know where everything's at. Where's your nose? Where's your ear? 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 You do these all the time. Of course I put you on video. And you're pointing to your eye when I ask you where your nose is. Where's your ear? Woo! Where's your ear? Okay, get it. Well, of course, Sarah. Wait till you. I did the same thing. Get her back in there real fast.
Back in.
Just sit her in there real fast, like nothing happened. Oh, peekaboo. I did the same thing, Terry, in the same spot. I thought it would just slide around. Check it, check it, check it, check it, choo choo. Watch your fingers, watch your.
Woo!
Well, my goodness, I can't even keep up with you.
It was the beginning of what would become a complete. Incredibly, Tony soon found that his molecular side effect. He was now playing the best ball of his life.
Come here, Tori. I'll show you something. Come here. Watch this. Look, look. Okay, put the monkey right here.
Oh!
Here, pull it. Here, pull it.
Pull the monkey. Pull your baby.
I'm
I may be a little stupid, but I'm not that dumb.
Pull the baby. Pull your baby.
You can do it.